Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we are going to do a price prediction for AMD. You guys can tell in front of you I don't have a price prediction here, so I wanted to come in and show you all what I think this stock is about to do. So welcome to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. I'm not going to come through and hype you all up on these stocks. If the market's going to move higher, then we'll predict it. If it looks like it's going to go down, then we'll predict that as well. We want to be great stewards of this market dynamic to where we can at least be satisfied with understanding the dynamics of how people think. And the chart is actually the ballpark, the ground layer of us seeing everyone else, of what they think. And as you can tell from the chart in AMD, that trend line has been broken. So we can kind of get the gist that maybe these buyers in AMD are the ones that are a little bit more hyped into looking for the market to play out in their favor. So make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe for more of my videos and content as we embark on the stocks within the stock market. So we're going to go ahead and clean this up. First thing we're going to do is get rid of this downtrend line because price has broken that downtrend to the upside. And we will also get rid of these sell pockets here in AMD because the buyers has successfully achieved moving the price above those areas. Now, one place I will add though is right here. Okay, we can see right off the bat that the volume in AMD the last 2 days has been exceedingly high. The 16th, and then again on the 17th. So something is going on. And as we look at this volume and we bring it up to where price was trading on those days, boom, look at that. At the high that occurred on January the 7th, 2025. So whoever was selling AMD in January, those people apparently want to sell more. So we need to see how bad do these buyers want to move the price in AMD, because the ball's in their court. We can clearly see price in AMD trending. Okay, so we are in a slight uptrend into the market in AMD. Now the test is about to go down for this stock. Right now, you can see that from where this trend line is and this sell pocket, this is where we will get an answer as to whether or not the buyers will continue to grab control of a price and move it up, or will the sellers come back in and push price down. We're there now. Okay, so let's look at this market in AMD. Let's look at this on the weekly chart. So this is what happened into the market for AMD. It's been a great move. But now we're knocking on the door of these sellers. This weekly price bar right there. And we're back here again. AMD on the 2. Here's AMD on the 3. We have 2 more days, 9 hours. That 3 weekly price bar does look decent. It does look healthy, but I'm still cautious because we're hitting the sell pocket now. Here it is on the 5 weeks. AMD on the monthly chart. Here it is on the 5 hours. So we could get a gist of seeing whether or not buyers are really going to hold price right now, because you can tell that whenever you see price hit a sell pocket and the reaction is, okay, we hit the pocket, is the price holding here? Because if it is, then the market is going to try to break that pocket to the upside. But if you see the price hit the sell pocket and you kind of can see it's getting tired, or we're decreasing, then the market in AMD is going to go down. Okay, here it is on the 3 hour. So what do you guys think about these 3 hour bars? Does it look like buyers are holding the price, or does it look like they're losing control? Right here, it's an area that we need to focus in on. For a pocket of buying, we need to see these buyers hold that area. Create this one too. So here it is on the 1 hour. Look at that. So it looks to me like these buyers are still here. This bar right here tells me that. And then these bars right here tells me that, because they're not trying to let go of control yet. At least not now. From what we can see right now, it doesn't look like these buyers left the market. They're willing to absorb whoever's trying to sell their AMD. But that can quickly change though. We want to see price break that sell pocket. The sooner, the better. The longer, not so good. Here it is on the 330. AMD on the 30-minute chart. Okay. And the 15. So I'm kind of torn right now. Like if you're not in a position for AMD yet, I won't be in no hurry. I think the market will give us more information as to whether or not it's going to break that sell pocket to the upside. And I would like to see price test, this is for me, that pocket or this pocket to see whether or not we're going to continue to go up. I want to see that. So do I think the market is primed for a continuation move up? I think it's still there. But in terms of like an entry and a movement to the upside, I just want to see this market test these pockets first, and or that trend line. Okay. And then let's go ahead and create pocket there and one here, just for future reference. Look, it's on the 3 months chart. Oh, that's huge. That does look good right now in the 3 months. This bar right there currently might need to come back in the next 12 days and see, did it complete this way? Because if so, then yeah, this market definitely is bullish. It looks bullish now, but I want this 3 monthly price bar to print first. But it looks good there though right now. All right, so let's put this on ice. We'll come back and look at what happened to the price in AMD and see if we can try to jump on board on a prediction on one of these pockets here. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.